Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, you guys. I'm just in the house trying to get my life together. I'm really trying to figure out, why am I not one of those girlies who knows how to keep her room clean? Like, I can keep this whole house clean. When it comes to that room, it's a different story. And it's not necessarily the room, it's the clothes. And that's what I'm gonna tackle today. Basically, this video might just be like a clean up with me, something like that. I don't know. Hopefully this brings somebody else some motivation, because I need it. I definitely need it. It's kind of a mess downstairs too. We got stuff everywhere. I did a vase, I think I showed you guys that, but I also put together this fire pit that was sent to me. I tried to record that, but my memory card was somewhere in the room being plugged up into the computer, and I just did not feel like getting up going to get that. But I have to complete this video as well. But today we are focusing on this room, y'all. I got another I have a rug that a company sent me, and I need to record that. My plan was to put it in my office, but that thing is way too big, so I'm not going to be able to put it in here. So my other plan was to just put it in my room, see if I like it, or at least to get the content, put it in there just to see, just to create the content. And then I'll have to figure out where I'm going to put it, because it's really big. I forget the size, but it's huge. So I'm going to try and put it under my bed so it can come out a little bit. You know how I go. But anyways, we're upstairs today. We're washing clothes, we're folding, and trying to do the right thing, stay on track. And I can't find my tripod for my camera. So here's the mountain of clothes. This pile right here needs to be washed. This basket right here, they're clean, and I've already started folding clothes, the white clothes. And basically that's it. Underneath this pile of darks is some towels. All of this stuff right here, trash. Except for this. I don't know if you guys remember these. I bought these months ago. And they're still just sitting here in my, on this wall here. This right here, trash. This right here is boxes that came from this table. I put together this table set in a different vlog. Actually, it was in the Mother's Day vlog that I didn't get to post. But I put together that table in that vlog. But yeah, basically my room is a disaster. So we're going to try and get it together and get things back on track in here.
Confidence. When I got to roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me.
I'm already sitting down, already tapped out. I'm already tapped out. I just sat down and started scrolling, and this has been something that I've been thinking about for a while. And I know you guys, if you guys are on social media, a lot of you may not be on TikTok, but there's this lady, Peach McIntyre. I'm sure if you're on TikTok, you know who she is. And she's a content creator. She's wild, let's just say that. But I feel like she's a really good mom. She loves her kids, she takes care of her kids, but she is different. And the issue that's going on with her right now is the fact that people have been calling CPS on her like every single day. People have been sending them folks to her house. They have been interviewing her kids. Every time they come out, they have different, you know, reasons as to why they were called, and all of the things. Like, it's so sad. And I was scrolling on TikTok and I see that this lady was talking about it, and she was saying how, you know, CPS is being like weaponized to go out, and if you don't like a creator or somebody, they're using it as a weapon to go attack her family. And like she was saying, it's not just her. You are literally traumatizing her kids. And that's the thing that gets me. It's like, there should be something that from CPS that knows, like, this too much. It's beginning to be excessive, and we're getting a lot of these calls. Like, why don't they do the research and get the information, how they would do all of the other stuff to get these people and actually charge them with something, or make them pay fines for, you know, misusing what the what CPS is used for. You're taking CPS away from people and kids who actually need their assistance. Like, this is wild. I just think it's crazy how, I get they have to go out every single time to make sure it's not a real thing, because if something were to turn out that it is in fact true, then it would fall on them. But this is crazy. Like, why do people have to be so mean? Like, if you don't like a person on social media or in life period, why do you feel like you have to go attack their families? Like, I'm telling you, these people have said that she was on drugs, her husband is using drugs. Now the newest thing is like her husband is abusing one of the kids in the grown-up way. And I feel like that is just wild. These kids' dad, mom. The kids actually love their parents. Why? It's crazy. And every time they show up at her house, she has her camera in hand and is recording, and has the camera faced the officers who are there. So yeah, I just thought that's just crazy. And I don't think that should be something that people should be able to do. Like, and where are these people? How are you finding folks' address and phone numbers and real name? Like, I guess Peach McIntyre is her real name. I don't know. But I think that's pretty wild. So that just lets me know that there's a lot of crazy people out there. There's a lot of weirdos in the world. And you just have to be careful. And now I understand why people don't want to share a lot, which is unfortunate, because I mean, some people, I don't, it's sad. It's really sad. But anyways, I just think that's crazy. Yeah, what was I saying, or what was I doing? Y'all, I was folding clothes, and then I just sat down, took a break. My husband called, and that's what got me sitting down. And then I started scrolling, and this lady has come up on my TikTok, and I was just listening to her. She made a lot of sense. She says, I hope whoever is doing this, I pray that your kids feel the pain that you're inflicting on her kids. Like, they get to experience that too. I mean, I wouldn't go that far to say that, but I do feel like, I hope their karma gets them, you know, because that's just so mean. People don't have to be mean. People say mean things to people. If you feel a certain way, keep it to yourself. Say it to your dog. Tell your partner. You know, write it, type it out, and then delete it. Like, is that serious? You gotta let her know. You gotta call the people and let them know. And then you don't even know this woman. You don't know what's going on in her house. You guys have no idea what's going on. Like, why would you do that? It's crazy. It's wild. But anyways, yeah, like I said, at least it looks a little better in here. I did get like one load folded. I have to get this other pile. I do have another load in the wash. And then, yeah, we're just going to take it step by step. While that's washing, no, I'm not going to do that. Stay on track, London. I was just getting ready to say, while that load is washing, I could be in my closet actually putting these little storage organizers up. But I'm getting off track. Like my husband says, stay on task. But yeah, just thought I'd check in with y'all. I'm about to get up and get this other load folded. And then the towels that's underneath while Amari is asleep. Actually, he has to get up in just a minute. He didn't get off work until a little after 11. And it's 10:30 right now. And he has to go to training today at 12. And then I think he has to work this evening again. So I don't mind him sleeping in. He's tired. But yeah. This is annoying. So when I have to put the clothes away, I have to go in here and fold these back so that these here can fit in here without me just stuffing the drawer, because he's not careful when he's looking for shirts to wear. That's double working. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to talk to him about that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Tell him, bro.
Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but look. I'm looking in the mirror, I've been held me down. So when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but look. It's anything but.
I really wish there was a better way to do this. But you guys see how big the rug is? Like, it's extra big. And I'm trying to get it done because Amari's getting ready to leave. And I want it done today. That's the whole purpose of me being in this room, because I really want to get this rug set and the video done so I can have it ready to send off. But I thought it was a nice rug. It's one of those washable rugs. And I like the colors. My husband he's not really like excited about it, or don't like it all that much, but I think it's really nice. But yeah, hopefully I can get it set up. I wish there was a better way, because it's not easy trying to get the rug under the bed and then even on each side. Dang, that was fast. Did you even wash yourself?
Yeah. Did I take my deodorant?
No, he bought his own deodorant. Amar, are you sure you took a bath?
Yes.
Let me smell your arms. Oh no. Oh, stop. 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 Stop.
I smell good.
This took me back in the day when Amari used to go play like he was taking a bath, and I have to check under his arm and smell his neck and his back and all of that stuff. But anyways, definitely want to get this done before he leaves, so we're gonna try.